So we had this idea that students needed to update our school design, and we also wanted them to think about the values of our school community and what Orchard View Middle School represents.
Way back, it started with the Career Tech Center. We went there on a field trip to see the graphic design process. We had to print the CTC logo on a piece of paper.
The CTC experience was very cool. They told us how to not make it lumpy on the shirts and make sure the design was good and how to edit it, the stuff, I guess.
They worked in groups and they came up with some different designs, and then we did some feedback loops, and we had some people come in from the CTC to guide the students in how to improve their designs and really try and reflect what we were hoping to accomplish with our values and a sense of community.
Our teacher said that the inspiration was how this design represents Orchard View 6th grade.
So what ended up happening is we decided to do some screen printing and took it a step further. Students created their own stencils, and then they burned those stencils onto the screens, and they upcycled some clothing because we talked about how there's a human impact on the environment and a lot of waste associated with clothing.
For our design, it had to be transparent, so if it was white, it was when it was burning into the screen, it would leave color behind, and then it would burn it, so they were dots from the red emulsion. And so basically the blue light would burn our ideas into the emulsion, and we would have to rinse it, and then our design would show through the emulsion. And so when we taped it and put it on the t-shirt, it was our design was the only thing that was on there.
The fun part where I realized I really liked this project is when we did our paint to our design onto the shirt, because then when I was done with my paint, I realized that I really liked how this all turns out.
It was very hands-on than other stuff, and I liked it because you get to do your own thing, you get to design stuff, but you also get to interact with other people, and it was just a mixture, and it was very cool to see how other 6th graders think, and to combine that together and all those things. It was very fun.
This is so important because learning by doing and being able to reflect on meaning is just a core part of the human experience. And when we get to bring kids into their community, we let them collaborate, we give them voice in the classroom and choose what direction the project is going to go. It allows them to really step back and say, oh my gosh, how does this apply to my life? What do I think about this? And the learning feels deeper that way.
So after each group puts their design onto their shirt, we're going to put those into a Google form, and students are going to pick one design that they feel really represents Orchard View Middle School, and we're going to have those professionally done, and everybody in our entire wing, all 6th grade, even our traditional classrooms that were not part of this project, are going to be part of our project and getting a shirt.